Everyone, welcome back to my channel for nursing students. Today we are going to break down the human digestive system in just 5 minutes. Let us make it simple, clear and easy to remember. The digestive system is the part of the body that helps us eat, break down food and absorb nutrients. It also helps removing waste from the body. It starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. Let us see each part step by step. First one, as I told, the digestive system begins from mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. We chew food with our teeth and saliva mixes with it to start a breakdown. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase that starts digesting carbohydrates. The next part, esophagus. Next, the food goes down the esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tube. It moves the food to the stomach using a motion called peristalsis, which is like a wave. The next part is stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsin, which start protein digestion. The stomach churns the food into a thick liquid called chyme. Then next to stomach, small intestine. Now the chyme enters the small intestine, the main site for digestion and absorption. The small intestine has three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In the duodenum, bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas help digest fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Next, some accessory organs like liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. The pancreas makes digestive enzymes and also controls the blood sugar with the help of insulin. The next part is large intestine. It is also called as colon. Here, water is absorbed from the leftover food. Good bacteria help break down what is left. This turns into solid waste. Then last part is rectum and anus. Finally, waste is stored in the rectum and leaves the body through the anus. Let us quickly review. First part, that is mouth, next esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Then if we see accessory organs of the digestive system, these are organs that help with digestion but food doesn't pass through them. They are liver. As we all know, the liver is the largest internal organ. It makes a greenish fluid called bile. Bile helps break down fats into smaller pieces so they can be digested better in the small intestine. The liver also processes nutrients and detoxifies harmful substances. Then gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small pouch under the liver. It stores bile made by the liver and releases it into the small intestine when needed, especially after eating fatty foods. Then pancreas. Pancreas has two main jobs. It produces digestive enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Next, it makes insulin, is a hormone that controls the blood sugar. Let us recap. Liver makes bile, gallbladder stores and releases bile, pancreas makes enzymes and insulin. These organs are essential for digestion even though food doesn't pass through them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe my channel for more short and simple nursing lessons. Comment below with any questions. See you next time.